Everyone, I'm Shan. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a flower chandelier. So I tried to make this earlier in the summer and I failed. So I have learned from my ways though. This would be round 2 and I have figured out how to make this, and I'm really actually very proud because it's very disheartening when you fail at a DIY and you want to make it for you guys, but it doesn't work out, but this worked out. So if you're interested in learning how to make this, please keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe.
For this tutorial, I recommend fake flowers. I couldn't tell you what kind of flowers these were, but I chose flowers and greenery that looked elongated rather than full when hanging upside down. I used a 14-inch floral wire wreath, needle nose pliers, scissors, and floral wire. I began by separating the flowers from the stems. For the white flowers, I paid attention to how many flowers were on each stem. It was 5 flowers and up to 2 smaller buds. Next, I removed the yellow flowers from their stems. I grouped these by how many flowers came off each stem as well. I had 3 groups total. For the smaller white flowers, I decided to cut them right before the leaves started on the stem. I cut the leaves at the top of the base right before they separated into individual vines. These leaves were meant for a bouquet, so they were all connected by one handle. I didn't trim the length of the leaves because I wanted it to determine how long the flower chains would be. To attach the leaves to the wreath, I wrapped floral wire around the leaves at the ends just under the first leaf so the wire had something to anchor it. At the same time, I wrapped the wire around the inner circle of the wreath. I placed the leaves equal distance apart on the wreath, making sure there weren't any gaps. Next, I strung the white flowers together. I used pieces of wire about the length of the stem. I threaded the flowers onto the wire, spacing them the same distance apart that they were on the stem. Twist the wire into a loop that will nest inside the flower but prevent it from sliding off. I eventually used pliers for this. In the end, I had a flower chain with 5 flowers. I created 6 white flower chains in total. I secured the flowers to the wreath by wrapping the wire around the outermost ring.
Get it!
I made the yellow flower chains next. This was pretty similar to the white flowers. I secured a yellow flower to one end of the wire, then threaded another set of yellow flowers onto the wire and twisted a loop in the wire so it wouldn't slide down. I did this until I used all the flowers in my bunch. Remember the yellow flowers I separated into 3 bunches. Then I secured them to the wreath in between the white flowers. For the final set of flowers, all I did was wrap a long wire around the bottom of the stem right before the last set of leaves and behind it. I attached it to the wreath wherever I needed to fill in. I attached the wreath to the ceiling using a chain and ceiling anchor, but obviously use whatever method works best for you.
For those of you who don't know, I live in a very hot state in the South, so we're gonna have summer for a little bit, but this is definitely my end of summer DIY. Don't forget to subscribe so you can see all the things I make for fall. If you like this video, please give it a like, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!